Hello there mateys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week's video, I'm just going to show you on how I styled this cute little scarf top thingy-majigger with a side boob action. And I just paired it with a little gold skirt, a clear bag with a gold chain, and I'm keeping it with the same theme on my wrist. And I paired it with a black heel, as you can see here. And super cute look. And if you want a hair tutorial on this beachy wave look, comment down below. Anyways, keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe down below for weekly videos of fashion and beauty.
My boy Dax up in Canada.
Ice on my neck, that's incoming. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Call me Big Papa, I'm sunning. I spot the dick when she want it. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. Hey, good pussy sound like pasta. I got young dick, call the pastor. She got good brain, she a master. Lil' Einstein, bitch, I'm a blaster. I can go slow or go faster. If I bust quick, that's a bastard. Young Bollywood, get cashed up. Get rich quick, big bag, yeah, I'm cashed up. Ice on my neck, that's incoming. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Call me Big Papa, I'm sunning. I spot the dick when she want it. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'.
I'm a bad boy like Puffy, sucking on my neck like Buffy. I'm a British but I had to go duppy. Fall asleep in that pussy like a cubby. 90s pimp, 2000 pimp, Mercedes drip.
Made with this cute top is I folded it into a triangle, turn it on its side so you have this triangle piece here, just like that. Twist into a knot, hold it with your arm, and tie a knot over your shoulder. Then you just tuck in the rest of the scarf, and voila! You get this cute top.
I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'.